Welcome all artists. We are thrilled to showcase our brand new collection today, Let's Get Artsy. This collection is vibrant, it's gorgeous and full of so many of your favorite images from the art world. So you can see we've got this gorgeous easel card as a sample. And if you want to see how we made that, you can hop over to our Facebook and find the video tutorial on that. But let me dive right in and show you all these gorgeous products that we have with this collection release. So we've got the Let's Get Artsy stamps. You're gonna get 9 different pieces in there. These are a great size for your card making and mixed media. Life is beautiful, create joy, let's get artsy. And look at all these gorgeous butterflies. A brand new item that we've got are our tags and frames. These, you get 34 different assorted pieces. They're die cut, double-sided, and going to be so delightful to just pop onto your projects. We've got the Let's Get Artsy ephemera assortment die cuts. These are always a must-have and make your paper crafting just a breeze, where you can just add and layer on these gorgeous elements. Now let me walk you through some of these papers. So I've got the 8x8s here. So in the 8x8s, you get 3 of each of these sheets. So tons to work with. So great for card making or your mini albums, any of your smaller scale projects. And right off the bat, you can see our signature page is really setting the tone, giving you all the colors and so many great sayings and art pieces. Off the back, we've got some more of those beautiful sayings, beautiful things, let's get artsy. And then my favorite paper from the release is this Imagine Flower Garden. So fun, and I love this background. These are really gonna pop on your shelves or make for great gifts as well. So let us know in the comments what papers you're feeling, what are your favorites. You loving these florals, these bright colors. They're a little different for Graphic 45, so it's always fun to spice things up. Being creative is not a hobby, it's a way of life. That would be a great sign in your craft room. So many gorgeous florals and patterns. So these are going to be so easy to use on all your cards, and they're just so, those colors are just happy and radiant, so going to be great for any celebratory event, birthdays, thinking of yous, and then it starts all over again there. So let me know what's your favorite paper. And then of course we've got our patterns and solids. So many of you have asked for coordinating cardstock, and here is our answer with a little Graphic 45 flair. So we've got the nice solid side on one side, but it still has that detail and that vintage look, and a nice pattern on the other side, making these perfect for your photo mats, your card bases, scrapbook layouts. Look at these gorgeous jewel tone colors. In the patterns and solids, you get 16 sheets, so you get 2 of each of the designs, so 8 different designs. And then of course, we've got the 12x12 collection pack that's got all the same papers that we just went over in the 8x8, but now a larger size. So perfect for your larger scale projects. We've got the 12x12 sticker sheet in there. So a lot to work with and some new designs. We've got these fun banners. My favorites are the corners and the borders. So let us know in the comments below what you're going to be creating with this collection, and then hop on over to our website, g45papers.com, to pick up this collection. These papers are also now in stores, so go down to your local G45 retailer and pick these up there as well. So we thank you so much for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.